Tired of searching for the wave underline in Word? It's hidden in a dropdown. Here's exactly how to find and apply it in seconds. First, highlight your text. Then I'll show you the drop-down menu and the wave option. Let's go. Alright, so here's the situation. You want to add that wavy underline to some text in Microsoft Word. But when you look at the ribbon at the top of the screen, you don't see a wave button anywhere. And that's exactly what trips most people up. The wave underline isn't sitting out in the open, it's buried inside a drop-down menu. But once you know where to look, it's super quick. And that's what we're going to do right now. So step 1. Start with the text you want to underline. Go ahead and highlight it. Just click and drag your mouse over the words, or hold down Shift and use your arrow keys if that's easier for you. It doesn't matter how you do it, as long as the text is selected. And here's the thing, you can do this with existing text that's already typed out, or you can select an empty space first and type after you pick the wave. Both work fine. But for this example, let's say you've already got a sentence written out and you want to add that wavy underline to it. So get that text highlighted and ready to go. Now look for the underline button in the Home tab. You're probably used to seeing that big U icon right there in the font section. It's the one that normally puts a straight line under your text. But here's the trick. That U button has a tiny little arrow next to it. It's very easy to miss. Most people just click the U itself and they get a plain straight line every time. But that little arrow, that's where the magic is. So go ahead and click that arrow, not the U, but the arrow right beside it. That's going to open up the drop-down menu with all the different underline styles. And this is where you'll find exactly what you're looking for. From the drop-down, select the wave underline styles. As soon as you click that arrow, a menu pops up. You'll see options like words only, double underline, and then, there it is, the wave underline. It usually shows a little squiggly line right next to it so you can see what it looks like before you pick it. Just click on that wave option. And that's it. You don't have to dig through any settings menus or try to find some hidden formatting panel. It's all right there in that one drop-down. Click it and see the wave appear on your text. As soon as you select it, you'll see that wavy line show up underneath the text you highlighted. It's really satisfying to watch it happen. And that's the whole process right there. From feeling stuck because you couldn't find it, to having it applied in just a couple of clicks. I've been using Word for years, and I still remember how frustrating it was when I first tried to find this option. It's one of those things that once you know, it feels obvious. But if nobody shows you, you could search for ages. If you want a different style, repeat the steps. Maybe you tried the wave and you want to see what the double underline looks like. Or maybe you want the thick underline instead. That's totally fine. Just highlight the text again, click that little arrow next to the U, and pick a different style. You can switch back and forth as many times as you want. It's completely undoable if you change your mind. Remember, you can also use keyboard shortcuts. Now, here's a pro tip for you. If you're going to be underlining a lot of text with the wave style, you can speed things up even more. The shortcut for a basic underline is Control+U. But for the wave, once you've selected it from the drop-down, Word actually remembers your last choice. So the next time you highlight some text and hit Control+U, it'll apply the wave again instead of the straight line. That's a huge time saver if you're working on a document with lots of wavy underlines. And that's really all there is to it. You went from not being able to find the wave underline to knowing exactly where it's hiding and how to apply it in seconds. So next time you want to add a little visual flair to some text in Word, you know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.